All right, we're gonna take a quick break from working on the truck and get the decals removed off of my truck. I've already started a little bit on the back, so we're gonna get the Silverado off, and I'm debating on doing the door ding strip right there. Those came off pretty easy because it's been sitting in the sun, but as you can see, there's still some residue and some ghost lines left over. So I bought a decal eraser off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks. You hook it to a drill and you should be able to just clean all this up. So we're gonna give that a try and see how good it works. All right, so the eraser worked really well. You can see that there's still a ghost line of just residue and dirt buildup. So I'm gonna get some Goo Gone and see how much that comes off, and then I may have to just polish this out a little bit. But overall, I think it looks better debadged, so we're gonna keep on going. In my instance, it's a pretty warm day, and so this isn't a huge deal. These are coming off pretty easy. I'm being super careful. A lot of people will cover their screwdriver with a towel so they don't scratch their paint. But if it is a cold day, or if it's cold where you live, what you do is you can take a blow dry or a heat gun. I've seen some people use a torch, and you can get this warm so the residue isn't as sticky and it just peels right off. So obviously it's pretty warm over here and it's peeling off nice, but I'm going to take the eraser to this side and we'll get going. So as you can see, the eraser wheel works really, really well. The biggest thing with it is you want to make sure that you don't push too hard or leave it in one spot too long. So you can actually burn through your paint and leave scratches and some permanent damage in the paint. So you just want to apply enough pressure and kind of keep moving, and then it does a really good job. So like I said, I'll come back through with some Goo Gone and see how much of this I can get off, and then maybe do a quick polish to get rid of the ghost lettering. But so far so good. Okay, that came off pretty easy. It took a little bit longer. Obviously, there's a ton of residue there. There's still a little bit left on there that I'll get off with Goo Gone. But I'm gonna do the other 3 doors and I'll let you know when I'm done. Got both doors done, got the badges removed, and now I'm just gonna put some glass cleaner on it to help neutralize any of the Goo Gone or anything, any chemicals or anything that was left on there. So we're gonna hurry and spray it down and get it all cleaned off. All cleaned off. Looks way better in my opinion. I'll put a link to the eraser. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.